In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello back, my student. Today we are going to talk about foods from America, which are located in Unit 4. I guess it is on Unit 4, which titled, What do I need to buy? What do I need to buy? So, this is the fourth lesson of Unit 4, Foods from America. Foods from America. Actually, we are going to talk about 3 items: tomatoes, avocado, and chocolate. So, where did they come from? Where did they come from? So, before we start, let's repeat those words. So, I need you to repeat those words and underline them as I emphasized. Underline those words and write the meaning above or beside, or write it any empty place. So, let's have that one. Foods, 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 native, 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 Aztecs, 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 grew, 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 century, 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 explorers, 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 introduced, 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 popularity, 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 poisonous, 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 producers, 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 cultivated, 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 oily fruit, oily fruit, oily fruit, oily fruit, oily fruit, ripe, 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 develops, 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 flavor, 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 maturity, 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 silers, 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 bottle, 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 foliage, 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 trudged, 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 part, 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 royal, 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 welcome, 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 emperor, 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 introduced, 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 resist, 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 kings, 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 kings. Okay, gentlemen, this is here the end of this repetition for those words. I need you to underline them on the original passage and write the meaning above to understand what is the passage talk about. So, now I need you to listen carefully to the dialogue or to the voice. Have that one.
Page 44. 9. Reading. Foods from the Americas. Read about the foods from the Americas. Then try out the recipes.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes are native to Mexico and Central America, and the Aztecs grew them back in the 8th century. In the 16th century, Spanish explorers introduced tomatoes to Spain, and the tomatoes' popularity spread quickly through Europe. The French, Germans, and Italians absolutely loved them, but the British thought they were poisonous at first. In the 19th century, a British diplomat introduced tomatoes to the Middle East, and now Egypt and Turkey are among the world's top tomato producers.
Avocado. The Aztecs also cultivated the avocado. They called it wacht. The avocado is an oily fruit rich in vitamins A, B, and C. The fruit does not get ripe on the tree. People need to pick it from the tree before it develops its flavor and full maturity. Sailors used to call avocados seaman's butter because the fruit lasts for a long time and it was good for sea voyages.
Chocolate. Chocolate, chocolatl in the Aztec language, was the treasured drink of the Aztecs. When the Spaniard Hernán Cortés arrived in Mexico in 1519, the Aztecs gave him chocolate as part of a royal welcome. It is said that the Aztec Emperor Moctezuma used to drink 50 cups of chocolate a day out of a gold cup. The Spanish introduced chocolate to Europe. However, it was only in the 19th century that Henri Nestlé in Switzerland created the first bar of chocolate. Nowadays, very few people can resist the sweet food once only for kings.
Pasta.
Okay, gentlemen. This is here the end for this voice. Just to learn about the three fruits, which they are tomatoes, avocado, and a chocolate. So this is here the time to answer those questions, because we're not concerning with the recipe, which we don't know about the ingredients that took place in the kitchen. So we don't know about them. Let's have those questions, and please copy those items at your book. True with right. After reading, answer true or false. Number 1. The Spanish introduced tomatoes to Europe. True. 2. Tomatoes are not grown in the Middle East. No. F. Number 3. Early sailors used avocado because they taste like butter. It's also for a long time, so this is here really F. Number 4. Moctezuma sent the king of Spain gold cup of drink chocolate from. No, we didn't think so. This is false. Number 5. The first chocolate bars date from the 20th century. This is F. Number 6. The main ingredients of guacamole is avocado. Absolutely, this is here true. So this is here the end of our lesson for today. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to write the meaning of those words which we underline and highlighted, and also answer this exercise. I'm going to see you in another one. Have a good day.